guys, so nana ta diri 7:30 by 8:10 ilang lahi ang wa pa schedule, so niabante na ang naka-schedule vlog ko. So medyo gamay-gamay na lang ang naka-schedule di ay hinaot makasod sa top sa first 15 ba to? Oh, guys, pray for me, my gosh. Guys, nakapasar na ko. 34/40, my gosh. Thank you so much. Salamat, pray na ko. Salamat, guys. Guys, pasar na gito ko. Guys, pasar na gito, guys. Pasar na gito. Shout out sa mga kauban. Kaya ko na nagyan na, kagachika. Hello. Silang master from LTO. Masa di ba kita?
Ayun, guys. Fun.
Shy, shout out sa mga taga-LTO karong adlaw. Smile ko, guys. So guys, kanina diri ra ko gikan sa parking area, then niadto U-turn and mana. Ingana ra kadali ang ilang practical driving test, but naay mga questions like itong blow baggage, kailangan mo musulti ato. And then also, you need to check the side mirror, the rear view mirror, seatbelts on, and tanawon po niya ang imuhang pagtamak sa clutch brake and sa go, imong pag-change of gear o katong handbrake. So, mo to ang car nagigamit kanina, and it was very quick, less than 10 minutes. Next is katong motor na lang. Guys, pardon sa akong haggard na face. It's 1 p.m. and we need to wait 30 minutes to 1 hour for the printing of our cards. So, niyari ko 7:30 and after that mga 9:30 nakatake ko og test. And after na, nag-wait na pod ko because we have to wait for everyone, 30 people to finish taking the exam before mo manaog dito sa practical exam area for the car and the motorcycle. So after na musaka mo dito kay mag-fill up mo og another paper for the details of your card if nakapasar mo sa car and the motorcycle exams. After ana, you need to pay 653 pesos for the card printing, for the card processing of your card, 653. Then after paying, you can then wait for 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour for your card to be printed. So, ingana siya guys. So, balik ko dito mga 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So, it usually takes whole day jud if magkuha mo license. See you later guys!